Hi guys, welcome to the sixth part of this video series. The first question for this video is oxygen in gaseous form plus 2 electrons gives O2 minus in gaseous form, and the electron gain enthalpy is given as 744.7 kilojoules per mole. We need to find why the value of this energy is positive. We know that O minus has one more electron as compared to O, that is oxygen atom, due to which there would be more repulsion from the electrons in the ion towards the electron that is to be added. Thus, we require more energy for converting from O minus to O2 minus than that of O to O minus. Thus, it requires more energy, and we have the net energy greater than 0. This is why option B is correct. In the next question, we have the following changes: solid to gas form, gas to M plus in gas plus 1 electron, the gaseous form of M to M2 plus in gas form plus 2 electrons, M in solid form M in solid form converted to M2 plus in gaseous form plus 2 electrons, and M plus in gaseous form to M2 plus in gaseous form plus electron. Now we have to find from which of the following options we could calculate the second ionization energy. In option 3 we have the first ionization energy, whereas in option 5 we have ionization energy of 1 plus second ionization energy. Now when we subtract the energy from 3 from the energy in 5, we get the second ionization energy, and thus option D is correct. In the 13th question, we have to find why the electron affinity of fluorine is less than that of chlorine. We know that the fluorine atom is way small as compared to that of the chlorine atom, due to which F atom has a high electron density. This means that the repulsion between the incoming electron and the electrons in the atom is higher than that of that in chlorine atom, and thus we have option C as the correct answer. In the 14th question, we need to find which ionization potential in the following equations needs the greatest amount of energy. We know that K plus and Li plus are already stable because they have the configuration of the nearest noble gas, whereas Fe plus is not as stable, and so is Ca2 plus. We know that the electron lost from Li plus is from 1s, but that of the electron lost from K plus is from 3p. Since 1s, the electron is lost from 2s. Since 2s is closer than 3p to the nucleus, ionization potential for that of lithium would be greater than the ionization potential for K plus. And we have option B as the correct answer. In the 15th question, we need to arrange electron affinity of nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, and chlorine in ascending or descending order. We know that the electron affinity is directly proportional to the electronegativity, and electronegativity reduces down a group and increases across a group. Thus, we have N, O, S, and Cl in ascending order of electron affinity. In the 16th question, we need to find the decreasing order for the size of ions bromine minus, chlorine minus, sulfur 2 minus, and nitrogen 3 minus. We know that the size of the ion is inversely proportional to the nuclear charge, and the ionic size increases with increase in the number of shells or increase in the negative charge. Thus, we have option A as the correct answer. In the next question, we need to find the correct order of the ionic size of elements Mn, Fe, and carbon. We know that more the positive charge, the bigger is the atom or the ion, which is given in the options. But in reality, this will be false. Greater the charge which is negative, greater the size of the ion. Thus, we have Mn7 less than Mn plus 6 less than Mn plus 4, Fe larger than Fe2 plus, which is larger than Fe3 plus, and C minus larger than C, which is larger than C plus. Thus, all of the above are incorrect. In the 19th question, we have three triads N3 minus, O minus, and Na plus, and N plus, C plus, and O plus. We need to find the species of lowest IP from triad 1 and highest IP from triad 2. Now, we know that nitrogen requires high ionization potential for first, second, and third stages because it has initially a somewhat stable electronic configuration. Thus, N3 minus would have the lowest ionization potential, whereas O plus would have the highest ionization potential because O plus has electronic configuration of N, which is stable due to half-filled p orbital. In the 20th question, the correct values for ionization energies in kilojoules per mole of beryllium, neon, helium, and nitrogen are respectively dash. Now we do not need to know the exact values to solve this question. We know that ionization energy decreases down a group and increases across a period. Thus, helium has highest followed by neon, nitrogen, and beryllium, due to which we directly get option C as the answer. Let's take a look at the next coming problems in the next videos. Thanks for watching.